Hi everyone and welcome back to the Quick View video series. This is Mrs. Burt. In this video I'm going to show you how to download the plot or paperwork of your light show. So you can see here we've got our truss with our lights on it. We're going to print a PDF document to show those light positions. Now you can use this as part of the planning for your show. And you can refer to particular lights. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to open up, maximize my little diagram that I've got down here with my visualizer and where all my lights are positioned. And if I click on plot, no, file paperwork. File paperwork is what I want. So file paperwork. And now I don't want any of these patch sheets here. I'm not worried about those. Let's just get rid of those. What I do want is a plot showing head numbers. Okay, I don't want DMX numbers. Don't need the front view. Don't need rigging plots or individual plots. So I'm now going to click on PDF and I'm going to work out somewhere to save that. So I'm just going to save this onto my USB in my STEM folder, and I might call that plot. Okay. All right, so then if I go to my USB, there it is, open that up. Okay, so this here is my stage, front of my stage, back of my stage, and here's my lights and how they are set up. Okay, I just zoomed that a bit too much. All right, so what you can do with this is, given there's a bunch of space on this page, you can start to write a show. Okay, so you can say your first mood is happiness. You can say what you want to happen. So all of these lights have numbers on them. I'll zoom in so you can see them. So all the lights are numbered. So you can say, first point, I want light 2 and light 5, 100% intensity, pink. Okay, so you can plan it out before you go and input it into the recording program. Okay, oops, come back. Okay, so before you do your chase or your cue stack, you can write a bit of an idea for the plan. If you want to do it the other way around, you can create the show and then record the show on the paperwork. So either way, we want you to do both of those. So some documentation of your show and the show itself. Preferably documentation first. If you make changes on it, just cross it out or rub it out if you're doing it in pencil. Make your changes as you go and then go put it all in to the program here and then see how it goes. If it doesn't run quite the way you thought it would, you can make the change in here and then you can make the change on your paperwork. All right, so that was how you download the plot. You can print that out, number of copies, and you could have a copy maybe for each page, each mood of your show.